I'm really sorry if you were seriously injured in a motorcycle accident. Motorcycle accidents can be one of the most devastating types of accidents that we ever see here in our practice. If you're watching, you've survived, you're probably in really bad shape. The first thing you should do is try to get better. Seek medical attention and try to get better. You likely will be contacted by insurance companies, and before you talk to them, you probably should talk to an experienced and qualified personal injury attorney who can help guide you and even shield and protect you from the antics that insurance companies will use to try to take advantage of you in this vulnerable time. You might want to gather all of your insurance policies, and that would include any health insurance policies that you have, automobile insurance policies. Even if you're on a motorcycle, your automobile insurance policies may apply and help you through this very difficult time. Any correspondence that you receive, letters, phone calls, claim numbers, get those, gather those, but even if you haven't gathered those, you should probably contact an attorney early so that they can help protect you from what's about to happen, and they can guide you in gathering all the information. But above all, you should do your best to try to seek medical attention and get better if that's at all possible.